on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just...
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tashina Beauty. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I don't know if you know, girl, but I bring in affordable hair, makeup, pretty much everything on a budget. And if you're oldie but a goodie, thank you for rocking with me. Let's get into this video. Now, a girl has been gone for a minute, but when I'm back, you know I'm back with a bang. So the unit on my head, girl, she giving me all types of hair alive. Like I can't even, I don't even know where to start. See me stuttering and losing my mind. That's what I feel about this unit. Now this unit was sent to me by Eullair. Girl, I don't know how to pronounce this, but this is the company that sent me this unit. This is a deep curly human hair unit, 24 inches, 13x4 lace frontal, and it is 180% density. But girl, she thick. Like she ain't little thick, she thick. She everything, girl. She that thick. Okay. Now in the bag, obviously this is the bag that it came in, and I got a wig cap and I got a sponge. Now I'm always a fan of wig caps. I am a sucker for when companies send me those because you can never have enough wig caps. I'm sorry, but anybody who is an avid wig wearer who does not like wig cap, I don't trust you. Like I honestly don't trust you if you got an issue with some wig cap. Only if you bald headed, and even then I still would be wearing a wig cap. Now in this unit, as I said before, it's a 13x4 lace frontal, so you have parting all over right here, and then you have hair to ear lace. There's a lace in the back. Now in this unit, it has the double band. So it has the regular wig band that would come with, but then it has that dark sturdy band. Sometimes I don't know about anybody else, but sometimes I do insert an extra band that you can purchase off Amazon. I will try to find a link down below and list it in the description box. So check the description box down below for this here and for any extras that I'm going to talk about in this video. So it has that extra band that give you that extra security and stuff, which you can put it on the third one. But this here, I would say it can fit all sizes because it is a super big head friendly, and they give you two bands to adjust, so there's no way she's slipping off your head. Now let's talk about how melted this is looking, because what you guys don't know is this unit on my head is not glued down. I don't normally glue wigs down. Hi, if you're not new to my channel, I don't like to glue wigs down because I have a very fine hair and I like my hair. I don't want to be losing my hair like the last time. Like I'm not doing that. So I do not glue wigs down. This wig, however, she's sitting cute and she ain't glued down. When I put her on, I was like, wait a minute, like, can you imagine if I actually glued her down? Like, oh my God, she would be even more perfect. When I got the unit, I did finger comb her out, and then I added mousse to it to bring the curls back and everything. So this is what she's looking like. She's fluffy, she's nice, she's thick. I love everything about it, and the shine and sheen of this hair, it's just beautiful. It is beautiful. Now 24 inches in deep curly hair will not fall far on you. Like, now the length of this is pretty nice. It's about if I stretch it out, yes, it is 24 inches, but leaving it by itself, it's gonna catch me on my boobs, so it will look more like a 16-inch regular, because deep curly hair obviously is curly, so the curls are retracted, so you ain't gonna look like 24 inches, girl. So if you want it to actually look 24 inches, hit you at 24 inches, then I suggest you get like something that's like a 30. I don't know if they sell a 30, but that's how long you would need to go for it to look 24, but it is a true 24. The curls on this, let's talk about the curls. I don't know if the camera is picking those up at all, but those curls are beautiful, beautiful. My natural hair texture is this, and now this is making me want to dye my hair jet black and actually wear it a lot more. I don't wear my natural hair out. That's why it's wig for, because I am just sorry if I'm adjusting a lot, but this shirt is like I wasn't thinking when I was planning this video, because clearly this shirt would not be on. I thought it was cute, and then I realized I don't like it. Yeah. Now is it Eullair? I think it's Eullair. I'm gonna be listing all their information, and if I'm butchering the I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, but it's hard for me to pronounce that. I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't know if I'm the only one who has a problem with the English language, and it's not my first language, so I'll be butchering stuff. Yeah. Now they do have a sale going on, and I know that like they have well, every company runs sale, so there's like 50% off and stuff like that. I will have the link to their website down in the description box, so don't forget to check their description box, guys. They have let's see, there is a promo code there. Yeah, I didn't get a discount code for you guys, but obviously there's a promo code, so that counts as a discount code, and this is running hella affordable. For this, I'm telling you, she great. I did get shedding from this unit, but that's only because I think I cut way too close to the lace, and I'm pretty sure everyone knows this, but when you wear curly unit, especially deep curly unit, there's going to be shedding, and if you do not expect shedding from any hair, I don't know which planet you've been staying on, but if you purchase human hair wigs or synthetic wig, it's going to shed. Whether it's straight, curly, wavy, anything, it will shed. Even if it's short or long, it will shed. And now this is a deep curly hair and it's long, so it is going to shed. The hair, your own hair sheds, so there's no way to not expect shedding, because I don't know why people have this like unrealistic expectations on human hair units. Not because you're spending good money on it does not mean that it will shed, girl. It will shed. It will shed. It will get mad. It will do all what your natural hair do. So yeah, sorry if anyone feels attacked. I ain't attacking you, girl. I'm just stating the facts. Okay, so let's show you what the hair look like from all different angles. So obviously this is all the hair to the front. This is what she looking like, curly, bouncy, and nice. This is what she looks like from the, let me push my chair back, the left side. This is what she looks like from the right side. And this is what she looks like with all the hair in the back. I don't know if you guys caught that good enough or not, but yeah, she is impeccable. I love her. Thank you guys for coming back to watch this video, and thank you again, Eullair, girl. I'm sorry for sending me this unit. She's impeccable. She's beautiful. I love everything about it. Yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload. I be coming with affordable hair. I don't know what other content you guys would like to see. I am starting back my journey on keto to drop the extra pounds that I need to. So far I've lost well, that's privately off, not recorded on YouTube, but I lost 45 pounds off keto and counting, and I'm open to go down even further. So let me know if you guys would like to know about that or not. leave me a comment down in the comment section down below. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias. They will be listed down below. Again, the link for this hair and where to purchase and their social media will also be down in the description box. If you guys have any questions or concern, leave me a comment down in the comment section, or you can just send me a DM or something on Instagram. Follow me over there. I girl be trying to keep up, but life, you know what I mean, it is what it is. And until next time, this is your girl Tashina Beauty. Thank you for rocking with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.